Whether you're painting an interior or exterior door, the right roller can make a big difference in the final finish. In this video, we'll discuss the different types of rollers available and the factors you need to consider when choosing a roller for painting doors. We'll also recommend a few of our top picks. So, if you're ready to learn more about the best roller for painting doors, keep watching. Number 1. FoamPRO Foam Paint Roller. The FoamPRO Foam Paint Roller has several features that make it a great choice for any painting project. First, it is made with high-density foam, providing excellent paint pickup and release. This means you won't waste any paint and will get a smooth, even finish. Second, it is compatible with all types of paint, including latex, acrylic, alkyd, stains, primers, and clear coatings. This makes it a versatile tool that can be used for various projects. Third, it is washable and reusable. This means you can use it repeatedly, saving you money in the long run. Number 2. Mr. Rouet 4-inch Foam Paint Roller. It is a great option for anyone who needs a small but versatile paint roller. The foam is dense and durable, so it won't shed or leave lint behind. It's also resistant to water and oil-based paints, so you can use it with a variety of different paints. The frame is made from plastic and is designed to be sturdy and flexible. It's also easy to attach the foam roller cover to the frame. The paint tray is made from plastic and has a deep lip that helps to prevent spills. It also comes with a disposable liner, so you can easily clean up after painting. Number 3. NANJA 4-inch Mini Paint Roller. This is a great little roller for those small, detailed painting projects like cabinets, doors, and furniture. 4-inch foam paint roller covers are the perfect size for small projects. They're also made with high-density foam, which provides a smooth, consistent finish. The covers are easily removable and replaceable, so you can easily switch to a new color or clean them up. The frame is comfortable to hold and made with durable materials. It also has a threaded end so that you can attach it to an extension pole. The foam roller covers provide a smooth, consistent finish that is sure to please. Number 4. KUPOO 2-inch Foam Paint Roller. The KUPOO 2-inch foam paint roller is a professional-grade paint roller set that is perfect for doors, cabinets, and other woodwork. It features high-density foam covers that ensure no fiber loss and a smooth finish. The paint roller frame is heavy-duty metal and has an ergonomic polypropylene handle for comfort and control. The paint tray is also durable polypropylene and ideal for detailed and small-scale painting. It's easy to use and applies paint evenly and smoothly. It's used on water and oil-based paints and worked great with both. Number 5. VANSKOOS 4-inch Foam Paint Roller. One of the standout features of the VANSKOOS foam paint roller is its versatility. This professional mini roller is perfect for doors, cabinets, and other woodwork, allowing you to achieve an ultra-fine finish with water and oil-based coatings. The high-density foam covers ensure you won't experience any annoying fiber loss during your painting project. The heavy-duty metal paint roller frame and the ergonomic polypropylene handle provide durability and ease of use. The included polypropylene paint tray is durable and perfect for detailed and small-scale painting on walls, ceilings, skirting boards, door frames, and other smooth surfaces. It complements the roller beautifully. Number 6. Magimate 4-inch Small Paint Rollers. These rollers are perfect for small projects like touch-ups, drywall repair, and furniture staining. They're also great for hard-to-reach areas like corners and trim. The Magimate 4-inch small paint rollers are a great option for small painting projects. They're compact, lightweight, and easy to use. The roller covers are highly absorbent and lint-free, and the durable roller frame can withstand repeated use. The included paint tray is small and portable, and the angled paintbrush is perfect for creating precise lines and details. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to our channel for more home improvement tips and tricks.